Remember that old school style?
Yeah, but we don't have no other pen nowhere.
Can't find none.
You tell her too.
Hmm?
Yeah, tell her the same thing too.
Oh, type Uno me take this from.
No?
Uno. It come with one pencil in there to write down the score.
No pen in the car.
I'm sharpen this. You use the pen.
Oh,
Should have used a pencil because I don't want you to rub off it. Come here, mess up a place. Hello, beautiful people. You gonna look them?
Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. Huh?
No.
Just go look and come. Think one in our dashboard. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video.
Whoa.
Somebody do my intro a while ago with the video. I'm not tell them what you don't know what we are doing yet either. So yes, me and somebody may run late with VLOGMAS day 7, but you know you guys gonna get the VLOGMAS. Me not miss no day. You not proud of me?
No.
No?
You don't do the days, mate. You do 5 videos consecutive.
5?
6. They expect more.
You expect more? Me can't go faster than the days.
No, I expect more from you. So when you complete the days, you get the props.
Whatever, Jay. Anyways, in
When
today's...
you congratulate people too early, then not end up with them tasks.
You have a point. We're going to write down 10 things what we would want for Christmas, and out of the 10, we're going to buy each other 4. Me not going to know. You not going to know what me choose. You not going to know. Me not going to know what you choose. So we're going to ruffle them, we're going to take them, and we're going to keep them. And the rest of them, we're going to dispose of them. You get it? That was a mouthful. Out of the 10 we say want, them 4 them, I'm going to get him them and I'm going to wrap them. So the only clue you're going to have is that you write down 10 things so you know which 10 you would have probably get.
Yeah.
But you don't know what specifically. So
That's
we're going to we're going to tear the paper in a 10 pieces.
I'm going to have to tear me. I already think how I'm going to write them already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, you're a smarty pants. I'm going to follow you. Alright? So let's...
So you have to show me, right?
No, I'm not going to look.
But you're right, that's
Babe, that's why I give you a book.
Babe, I never play a game with you. I play fair. Never.
I'm not going to look.
Alright, no wrong still. Because
You think me a cheater?
No. Come now. Ready.
I didn't work the baby.
No, I did it. You're not a cheater. Zoom it 3 times when you look already. Can't play fair, yo.
Right. Hey, stop. And if a word not spell good, figure it out.
Hey. You see, if you want, listen, if you want one good chain, you write Poochie, a Poochie me about you. Alright, don't talk.
I put the color. Look at things that pencil nails.
I always know one. Oh, right, I'm right this. Wouldn't mind at this again.
And watch the prize. Watch the prize. Watch the prize.
No, man. Alright, boom.
Oh, me always want one.
Alright, let me write this on the bucket then.
I already buy my gift paper and my tape, but probably use one different gift paper because no more I might gift them in a different color from
I don't know, but I always know nothing, but I just write some things. Alright, I have 4 already.
Hey, me write this.
What 4 then?
Me I write this.
See what I see it on my Instagram. Wait, I'm gonna cast me. See that? And the film become a target.
If I want something that really bad, I can write it 2 times. Because there's a possibility that you might pick it. What you guys think? That are cheating?
I can't write it 2 times.
Anyways, oh, I know what I want.
As a matter of fact, if I say 1, 2 times, you know you're gone.
Oh my god, I know what I want. No, but you have to go order that. You never can get it. I want my gift them for Christmas Day. Alright. This is harder than I thought. Wait. Wait name. What my phone? What it spell? Alright. If you pick it, no. We need a name. Alright. Oh, cologne spell. COLOGNE.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, that go cost me. I really don't want to.
I'm done. Let me think back good.
Alright, you put this. Come on, one more. Alright, one more now.
I think.
Alright. Alright, done.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, so I'll read them one at a time.
Okay.
You go first.
Yeah, start with yours.
Okay. I could see each other's reaction. Wow, look at that face.
Brown Desert. What a
Trek.
trek?
Yeah.
Bankrabba Clarks. Okay.
Can I show you a picture?
I know it.
Okay. Pressure cooker. You write the prices too. No, man, you can't.
No, it's a list. It's going down. Stop reading.
No, we can't link up with my prices too. Come on, pressure cooker, okay.
Yes. Oh, the big one. Catch it for me. The big pressure cooker.
Oh, put big.
Yeah. Drone.
Yeah. Or read the whole thing.
Our contribution to the drone.
Yeah, come here, buy it myself, you know, I have the money right now, but
Okay.
let's say, who knows?
Okay.
30,000.
Okay. Psycho Bunny shirt.
30,000. Okay, Psycho Bunny shirt.
Psycho Bunny shirt and shorts matching.
Yeah, the little neat one, yeah. So little, yeah.
Okay.
2 Crocs, white and olive green.
Yep. I know my size. Pay for new video lights from Knutsford.
Yeah, they want to come down there for 100 ad. And anything over $50, they start charging by weight and size. Or they will say, just pay for it. It's not going to be more than around $4 grand, $5 grand probably. You're not going to reach so much either. But let's see.
So, all of them have money, I beg understand.
No, you don't talk, you know. I say 30,000, I know, I say 15,000, you know. Yo, you can't place in the fear, babe. Alright, come. 15,000. 30,000, 15,000, second and fourth. How smart? Are you writing 30,000, 15,000?
You have to choose one.
Come.
Pay for, okay, belt. Okay, not bad.
Yeah, make sure I read it right now. Alright.
Belt.
Alright, Jimmy Choo cologne.
Okay. Bottle of Hennessy.
Yeah, but I just feel like you have to contribute to one.
Okay.
Even though you're not drinking.
Okay.
Okay. YSL cologne intense.
Tom Ford cologne.
You know, see a whole spray we have. Alright, let's start now. Handbag.
Boom pole for a microphone.
Yeah, man, but just feel like
What's a boom pole?
You see, it's like when I put it on the light stand them now and stretch it across now, the boom pole make for that. So the light stand them can up with the boom pole.
But babe, if me choose them, then they're not gonna come in time, you know?
Baby, it doesn't matter if they're not coming. Well, I know. Remember, you don't know where you have to choose it.
Yeah, me know, but most of
Alright, so hold on. Buckler Hennessy.
Alright.
Tom Ford cologne. Are they alright?
No, go on.
Painful lights. No man, trust me, I know you right for
Read.
you. Watch, gold or silver.
3 cute shorts.
Yeah, I had that.
Okay.
Alright. 2 vanity tray. Gold.
Earrings.
Phone case. Bro, how much phone case you want?
No. A lot.
Alright. So let's do this thing I know.
And we are going to keep them so we can put them in the gift when we wrap them.
Hold on, do something smart. I want to buy that.
Me.
Alright, take a picture of it. Because you can't last all the paper in it, but you can't last the picture. This is just for your graphic purpose. Because you know once you're writing on your phone, you're not going to figure it. So right my name neat that you can feel it will come up here to you sitting like a spoon. Okay.
Babe, you're not crush it, you fold it. Fold, not crush.
No, babe, you can't crush your phone because of raffle.
No.
Babe, a raffle, babe. Yo, you could write something neater. Alright, let me come make a deal. We fold we own writing them then.
Alright, come.
Come, you all this.
But me already start.
You see?
Alright, give me.
No.
Who bad man?
No, man, who bad mind?
You.
Look, this don't look like bad mind.
God judge me.
This look like bad mind, no.
God judge me, Jason.
And I just say want me to fold. No, I'm not fold them. See there.
Are you judging me?
Don't tell me nothing, man. Much big, my paper space big.
But that's right.
This just to show me how mean you mean. I'm going to get the gift, no car. Look how you screen job everything in our little part.
Yeah, but that's right, big, that's why.
Baby, you can't write big, babe. That's another issue.
That I hear about it?
Yeah, all they need to go shake up the top.
Okay, let me use this stuff. Alright.
Come, put it down lower. Put it down lower. And the winning lotto balls are... Alright, come. Babe, put it down.
Oh, we're gonna pick from. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that's it. Alright, so let me go first.
I'm gonna put it in my bag. Okay.
First.
No, me nothing see. Me nothing know which gift me I gonna get.
Oh,
We
yeah,
just
yeah.
pick 5.
Okay, so 1,
Okay. 1,
2,
2,
Jesus. 3,
3,
4.
4. Oh, 4.
Yeah. But babe, like how someone got left back in this, you're not going to go hide and
No,
find-
we got this one. Baby, I really think Mr. Cheetah.
Yeah, they are criminal, they are people.
No,
They are
man.
criminal.
Hey, I go show them way. That way me
No,
can.
let me show them way. Let me know what's like, me I can have peace.
You just exchange one paper? Alright, go on. 4. Man, I throw around one them.
Babe. I'll put it on one.
See now, look.
I'm here to find me, ready to look.
Now look for me. 1. Stop for. Out the door, dog, so I can't believe him say.
What do you have to say?
Oh, God.
I don't want to see you.
No, you're not supposed to see. Die.
Alright, people. Let's see how we end up under pressure.
Wish me could have sure we do now. What my choose, but It's a secret for now until we open the gift them on Christmas Day. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for track the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Bye.